Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got this glowy, dewy makeup look that is going to be perfect for the spring and upcoming summer. So if you guys are interested on how I got this look, please just keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you guys can get notified each time I upload and join my glam fam. And with that being said, let's just jump right in. So before we start with anything, the first step to glowy skin is exfoliating. So you want to make sure that you are incorporating this into your skincare routine. Exfoliating is so important because it helps get off that layer of dead skin. Then it'll help reveal that fresh glowing skin that is underneath. So exfoliating is so important. So I've already done that. Next, the most important step is moisturizer. And honestly, you should be doing this for any kind of makeup look. If you are oily or dry, you want to make sure that you are moisturizing your skin because this will just help make it more plump and moisturized, and it is so important for any sort of makeup look. So I'm going to start with that right now. So for my moisturizer today, I'm going in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. This is my favorite moisturizer ever. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of that and start applying it to my face all over. And not in my hair, it's in my hair. So the next step I'm going to do to prep my skin for makeup is go in with a spray. This is a facial spray. This is the Olay Mist Ultra Hydrating Essence Energizing Spray. This is infused with vitamin C, so it'll just help boost that brightness in your skin and give you extra glowy skin. So I'm going to dry that down a little bit until it gets a little bit tacky. So this will act as a good primer for me to hold on to my makeup. Ew, I do not want my fucking Apple Watch in this. Today for foundation, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. This is a 24-hour wear. And it has an SPF of 15, and it says that it'll give you a radiant finish for normal to dry skin. So I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand for that, and it is pretty watered down, but this just means that it's extra kind of moistured. I don't know, but here I go. I'm just going to go in with my damped beauty sponge and start applying that on my face. So as you guys could tell, my face was a lot lighter than my body was, and that is because I don't self-tan my face. I found that it breaks me out really bad and kind of dries me out even more. So I tend to avoid my face with my self-tanner, and so I just buy a darker foundation shade. And that is what works good for me. I'm going with a little bit more in just specific areas. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, so if you need to build it up in different areas, by all means go for it. Next for concealer, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This one I feel like is just a little bit more moisturizing than the Tarte Shape Tape. So when I'm going for more glowy, dewy looks, this is the one that I tend to go towards. So I'm just going to put that under my eyes. I'm putting a little bit on my eyelids too to act as eye primer for eyeshadow later. I'm going to do it on the bridge of my nose also, the center of my forehead, and also my chin. I'm gonna spray my beauty blender with that Olay Mist again, and so this will kind of just add an extra little glow and moisture to. Alright, so that was a freaking adventure. My batteries ran out. I had no batteries at my house extra, so I had to run back to the store and go get some. But I did spray my beauty blender with the Olay mist, and I blended out my concealer, and it's all creased up now because I had to run to the freaking store. So I'm going to try and re-blend this out. Maybe add a little bit more. Where's my other one? I'm going to add a little bit more concealer just so it's not all creased. So for setting my face, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. And I really am just going to be doing this on my under eyes because I don't want to set a ton of, like, I don't want to put a lot of powder on because that'll take away the glow. So I just want to focus this really heavily on my under eyes and then really lightly on the other parts of my face. So as you can see, that powder kind of dulled out that glow that we had from the foundation. So I'm going to go back in with this spray one more time. Kind of let that sit. For bronzer today, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm going in with my e.l.f. highlighting brush. And I'm going to start bronzing up my cheeks. See how it adds that nice settled glow? You don't want it to be like too overpowering or like contoured, like chiseled. I just want a nice kind of overall bronzy look, like I've just kind of been in the sun for a couple of hours. I'm also going to be adding this to the top of my forehead. And also use this to slim out my nose on the sides. For blush today, I'm going in with my favorite glowy blush. This is the Nars Orgasm blush. And it looks like that, but it just has a really pretty sheen to it. This blush is so pretty for summer and spring because it adds that nice glow. Over top of that, I'm going to go in with my blush topper, and this is the Wet n Wild collection. This is Rosé Champagne, and it's not a highlighter and it's not a blush. It's just like a blush topper, but it has a beautiful sheen to it. As you can see kind of right there, it just adds like a nice glowiness. And I'm going to be focusing this on the apples of my cheek more. Now before I go in with highlighter, I'm going to set my face with a setting spray. Today I'm using the Morphe Prep and Set spray. I'm going to be focusing this product more on my cheek area so the highlight has something to stick to and hold on to. For highlighter today, I'm going in with my two favorites. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and then this is my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. And I'm going to do a little highlighting cocktail and mix these two together. I'm going to start off with the Champagne Pop. Oh, this is so looking pretty. I'm gonna do a little bit on the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and lightly on my forehead. And then next I'm going in with a little bit of this Molten Gold highlighter from Maybelline. Are you guys seeing this glow? Oh my lord. Oh yes. Give me the glow. Going back in with the Morphe setting spray, I'm gonna hit my whole face just one more time. I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge and lightly just press this in. This will ensure it to last a little bit longer because it's being pressed into your skin and instead of just sitting on top of your face. For eyeshadow today, I'm actually going in with this Morphe bronzer. This color is beautiful for bronzer and also a eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be lightly hitting my crease with this. I'm going to be focusing this product more on the outer corner of my eye. See how it's adding just that subtle bronzed eye look? I really do love this. And then for the inner part of my eye, I'm going back in with the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. And I'm going to be focusing this on my lid and inner corner of my eye. I'm going to go back in with that Morphe bronzer one more time and hit my lower lash line too. Oh, I have a mirror in here. That's so handy. I'm going to go in with one more thing of blush because I feel like it's not standing out as much as I want it to. I didn't put on enough the first go around. There we go. All right, next I'm gonna work on these brows. I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hill Brow Wiz. And I use this to outline my brows first. Oh my God, I'm so shaky. I need to eat something. And then to fill them in, I'm going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. This is in the shade Blonde. Oh no, I dropped blend it. And I'm just using upward strokes to look like hair when I'm applying it. Next, I'm going in with my favorite lashes. These are the Ardell Whispies. They look like these. Going in with some Duo Lash Glue. So while I wait for the glue to get a little bit tacky on my eyelashes, I'm going to go in with a quick coat of mascara really quickly. Wow, I love that this thing has a mirror. It's so handy. To make my inner corner pop just a little bit more, it's not standing out as much as I want it to, I'm going to hop into the Jaclyn Morphe palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Beam right here. It is this really pretty light shimmer shade. Oh yes, there we go, honey. Honey! See how it pops so much more. Can you guys see why these are my favorite lashes? They're so natural, but they add just that perfect amount of like pop and like wow to the eyes. So I'm obsessed with these, and they're so affordable, so you just can't beat that. I'm gonna blend together my false lashes and my real lashes. I'm gonna blend together my false lashes with my real lashes and then go in with a quick coat of lower lash mascara too. So this is the NYX Suede Lip Liner in the shade London. It's one of my favorites. For lipstick today, I'm going in with the Sephora Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade 99. So I can't stop the glow there. I'm going to go in with a quick coat of the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss. Alrighty guys, that wraps up today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment, share some love, and I will hopefully see you guys soon. Bye.
Right, I need music. I need to feel myself. Feel myself. Get in the zone. In the makeup zone. Can't forget that shoulder highlight. Alright, that's a wrap.